welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Nerf War against famous Alan MC. Go check out his channel. Link will be in the description. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, there's no safe spaces in this game. All we got to do is run and try to shoot each other. If we shoot them 3 times, they're out.
And the filmer is Stomp RB, just like an Alan's
video.
video.
Go check out his channel.
And go check out his video.
Description. Woo! Up there.
And then also the link to his video will be in the description. Right?
Yep. Just I totally.
In her video, in this video, yeah, your video, I guess you didn't. She destroyed you.
How did she destroy me?
You said she hit you like 3 times.
No, I hit her multiple times.
Yeah, but guys, we're not trying to spoil it here, but go check it out on his channel.
Let's get started.
She got totally destroyed.
See, she got totally destroyed. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, fire from this way.
Don't get it in the horses.
First of all, we're going to be talking with Alan MC. You're trying to shoot the cameraman like you did in the last video.
Oh, you almost got me there.
Ooh, shot from this side.
Oh, hold on. I think he's still.
Alright, go that way. I'll be talking with him.
I will talk loud and right outside so she can't hear me. So we're gonna head back this way because I heard this is talking that way. So we're gonna.
Alright.
Down. Did you just get one in the horse bed?
No. How do you shoot?
Good, Zach. Can you put your right side?
Shoot. Shoot. And this way. Darts. One dart in the way. Guys, sorry, but these darts are not made.
Wait, I got it again. By the way, it's windy, so just don't mind if it's windy.
Some darts might not seem like they hit, but you see like they hit, but they go win because it stormed a couple of days. It stormed like yesterday and the day before. So
It's not gonna storm the rest of the week, but it's just gonna be windy.
Besides Friday night. I'll probably send you the video to edit it.
Come on, guys, go! Okay, I'll go this way again.
How much time long do you go for? Ooh! Oh, the fireball. Sorry guys, I didn't capture that.
Wait. Where did mine just go?
They're right there.
Oh, that's my bullet. That's my bullet. And yours right there.
I hope the mic is actually sounding. I hope you guys sound good.
Yeah, that's what Yeah. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go.
Alright. Are we gonna go up the path like we did in Alan's video?
Maybe we should go up and down and like trick.
Uh-oh.
You might want to stand back.
Alright.
She's not gonna shoot me. If I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna play your shot on first. She only got 1 shot on me yet. I'm trying to shoot shots. Guys,
Let's just do little bullets out here. Alright, I know plan. Clear. Let's go down this way. Alan, we're gonna come this way.
Pause it.
Alright guys, change of plan. We're not going that way.
We're not going that way, but we gotta hurry. Yeah.
So Alan wants to use the bathroom. So we're gonna try to jump scare, but we can't find a good spot. What if we go out to the grass field?
Yeah, we want.
Wait, we should go find these trees.
All right. Now we're over here. We're gonna wait over here. Yeah. Good idea.
I think we should wait right here because then we can see him when he comes out, but I just hope he doesn't see us when he comes out of the door.
He's like way over there.
He can see us in through the window.
Yeah, he's
So
like
what's our game plan if he sees us? Are we gonna run that way or that way?
that way, and we're gonna try fighting him. How about that?
Well, I think say we should go that way so he will go down the road and he'll try to chase us, but we actually trick him. Okay, turn it off until he comes. And I think we should go up on the hill and wait for him to come out so we can like jump scare him. I think we should. Should we go that way or that way? I say, wait, this way is more rockier, but that way isn't. We gotta hurry. Okay, let's just go this way. We gotta hurry because I want to jump scare him because when we shoot.
Okay.
I want to scare him because I want to get him. Okay, we'll see you guys when we make it all the way down. Let's go.
Okay, you're back.
Go back over there. Go back over there. Okay, pause it while we walk.
Okay.
We're back, guys. We're back, and now we're going to continue. You go that way. Bang. We'll see you when he's there.
Oh, okay.
He's playing with me. I don't think we should have like a shooting war in this video.
Well, I guess we did have one in the last video.
And it kind of failed. Hey, look, there's worry in the window. I see a tail.
Should I shoot at the window?
Yeah, and I see a little head.
I don't.
See, there's a little head.
Can I shoot at it? In the last video, she was in the other window. No.
Okay.
Oh, wow, there's bees.
Don't shoot. That makes the bees. Okay, turn it off while you're back. Now we're just gonna shoot.
Time to kill each other.
Look at s'mores.
Triangle.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go this way.
Sorry, you guys can't see in the window.
But she's super cute.
But don't worry, on my channel, there's gonna be a
Go
cat.
check out s'mores kitten.
Kitten.
Stop! We never said go yet.
Plus, on my channel, she's gonna be on the channel.
No,
We're gonna be.
overweight.
Check out Stomp RB, will be down below. We're gonna be getting her a Roblox account and building her a cool house.
Comment down below if you guys like Nerf war videos.
Comment down below if you want to see a Roblox account created.
By Marcus.
Or Stomp RB. I'm gonna be creating her one, and then once in a few months or maybe, she'll be creating her own house. She'll be in a game in Roblox. She's gonna be recording and then she's gonna be creating her own house.
Okay, let's go!
Cat house. All right, come on, follow me.
Sorry guys, it's so windy.
I have a plan. We're gonna sneak on the rapid fire.
What'd you say go?
The final showdown. They're firing! You just fired!
Oh, what?
Oh no, her gun fell apart. Is this it for Michaela? Well,
this will be continued. There will be another video next Saturday, and this will be Nerf War. Will be continued next video. This will be video continued.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys like Nerf Wars. And make sure you subscribe. See you next time. Bye.